were playing with Joey's head, now you're sucking his manifold?
Yep, now I'm sucking them off. I mean, the manifold. Yeah.
Party time. Try to get all the dust and debris and stuff off of here before we pop this manifold off.
Can you feel me? A little too much, huh? Okay, I'll get back there.
I'm terrified.
I'll get back to sucking. I mean, cleaning. Yeah.
So yeah, we get this kind of sucked off, and then I also got the water pump mostly off. I got one more bolt to get off. This water pump right here, it has a production date right here, casting date. If it wants to focus, damn you. Now, of course, we don't want to focus. Of 1972, so obviously we're gonna put at least your water pump on that's new. This bolt we need to fight out. So let's get that fucker out. And I'm gonna pull this balancer because we'll use his balancer. I'm gonna pull this timing cover, check the timing set, probably put his timing set in this.
Yeah, I mean, this way we know he's as safe as we can possibly get him.
Yes. And it's gonna have his nice head. Come on, focus.
Head? What about, who's that head? What? I heard head.
Oh my God, calm down. Scotty's rambunctious. I think he needs to get laid. You gotta get that bolt out.
Would you?
Yes. Oh, look at you. Look at you, you whore. All right, so he sucked this off. So I'm gonna get these bolts out now and pull this manifold, and we will see what we have going on in here. Sorry. I cut too fast. Is that socket too fat? You might have to go down to 3/8 drive and get in there, big boy.
Oh.
Or it's a 9/16 and the rest of them are half because it's, you know, nothing ever seems to be behaving.
Right.
So I'm pulling these bolts. I loosened all these up already. And away.
No, of course not. Why would that be the right way to do it?
Nothing's ever
That's why it probably hasn't been changed.
Since 1972?
Yeah.
You were how old in 1972? Like 3?
Yeah.
Nice.
Depending on when it was made.
You might have been 2. All right, give me 4. Anyway, sorry. This video is being redone. Mustang videos, yeah. I'm being random today. It's a Thursday that feels like a Friday because we raced this week. And we actually did. I guess it counts as fun, even though it's not really fun. Like loading trailer's not really fun, but it's preparation for fun. So.
Prep? What?
I'm not going to ask you your medications.
Well, there's the one to make my... Oh, no, I don't have that worry. All I can do is fucking look at something and I'm ready to go.
Oh, see, I'm getting old.
I'm older than you! The wind's blowing. Poof, it's ready.
Yeah. Sometimes you just lose interest. Uh-oh, that might be rusted in, too, which happens on these. Which I've had that happen, and I've had them break off. And guess what? I'm good at that. Getting that out. Scotty? You okay?
Yeah.
Do you need a hug? Lunch is on the way. I know you like lunch. There it goes. Yes! Oh, yeah!
Ooh, Poppy.
What?
Huh?
Who?
What?
I'm just gonna move that over for now. Ooh.
Grab my pump.
One Swedish-made penis emoji pump. You know, Scotty, we have a cordless ratchet. You've been done like 20 minutes ago.
I like taking my time to get done.
I like to get done and roll over to sleep. There we go. All right. Hack that hose. But look at that. That's not horrible.
No, I've seen way worse.
I know. Hey, you know what? Let's cut this hose real quick, and then we'll pry this manifold off too. It'll be like 2 for 1. Bullshit fun. Yay! I'm going to pause this and we'll come back when we get this part. Pump off. We're gonna pop off this manifold, which actually is a lot better shape than we thought, but the other one's way nicer, so that's one's going to
Give
go
me the
on.
hammer so I don't have to bend down.
You don't like to bend over. You're a lie. Ugh.
Well,
1 homemade bang bang. Ooh, there we go. Ready?
wait, hold on. I want to make sure that I'm... Plus, I like banging. I mean, hell, I don't
There you
get the
go.
chance to bang Joey that often, so please, let me enjoy it while I can. I mean,
What?
What?
Oh my God. You better not be getting extra tips.
Yeah, don't play in traffic.
That's okay, that bolt fell in there. It's fine.
Don't play with yellow snow.
Don't drink yellow snow. Okay, manifold's off. Not too worried about that falling in there. That's actually really clean inside.
Yeah, it is. It's like super clean.
I mean, it's a little, look, it doesn't even stick to your hand, really, when you get in there. Very nice. All right. That's not bad.
No, it's really, really not.
Your phones are blowing up. You're not beautiful, though. Thank you. Okay, maybe you are, to some people.
Well, you know, hey.
Yeah, you know. Anyway, so next step, I'm going to pull these heads, pull this pan, pull this timing cover, and pull this balancer. And then we can be ready to put all the goodies from this one, that's nice, onto this one, and we will take 2 and make 1.